Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my first ever Bella Skinbox unboxing. I am so excited. You may have noticed that on my channel, I do a lot of unboxings, a lot more now than I used to, and I'm just obsessed with it. I do not want to stop. I just want to unbox every subscription box there is out there. I love subscription boxes now. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if there are any subscription boxes that you love or that you'd like to see me unbox, because I'm always looking for more. But this one here, I am so excited about because, like I'm saying, I love subscription boxes, but I also love skincare. So this box right here is just combining two of my favorite things, and I am so excited about it. So this is $35 a month, and it comes with full-size, cruelty-free skincare and tools. I also want to mention that the $35 a month is with free shipping. And so let's see what I got. It comes beautifully packaged. I feel like I'm opening a PR box, which this was sent to me for free. This is not an actual PR box, but I do always like to give the disclaimer when it is a product that is sent to me for free. But this is not a sponsored video. I just really wanted to share my unboxing with you all. And I am noticing a very beautiful scent right now. And so what I have here is the December box, and I love that there's product information. If you've seen some of my unboxings of Ipsy BoxyCharm, you know how I really like to get printed product information that gives the retail value, and so this gives all of that. Very excited. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna pull out this product right here. Ooh, so this is a face moisturizer. Love that. I need a face moisturizer for my dry skin. I moisturize at least twice a day. And so this is from the brand Circle Beauty, which I am not familiar with this brand, so I'm really excited that I'm going to get to learn about new brands from this box. And of course, they are cruelty-free. This is also sustainable, vegan, and fighting waste. That's awesome. It says moisturizing day cream for all skin types with skin-soothing cocoa butter, aloe vera, and blood orange. Ooh. Oh, this is nice packaging. I think this is like glass or something. It's a little ASMR. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I get that kind of blood orange smell. I am very excited about this. Looks beautiful. And from this product information here, it looks like there's another, yeah, right here, another product from this same brand, Circle Beauty, and this is a coffee face serum. That is awesome. So it's with repurposed coffee extract. I know about like coffee scrubs, but I have never heard of a coffee serum. I am so excited about this. I love coffee and I love serum. Put them both together. How could I not love it? It's supposed to hydrate and firm. Once again, beautiful packaging. The glass bottle with the dropper. It's got nourishing jojoba, sea buckthorn, and rose hip oils. So it has antioxidant-rich coffee and rose hip oils to moisturize the skin and brighten the complexion. Use morning or night to help boost collagen and keep skin firm. Ooh, that sounds really nice, and it sounds like it'll really target some of my main skin concerns. So these two products retail for $44 combined. So that's not too bad. I was expecting these to be more expensive just because they seem so luxurious with really great ingredients and beautiful packaging. All right, next up we have, oh, this is from Daily Concepts. It's Your Facial Mini Scrubber. What? I'm not using one of these, but I definitely probably should be. That's awesome. I love when these boxes introduce me to new self-care, skincare products and routines that I really should have been incorporating all along, but I didn't even know about it. So here are the Daily Concepts Facial Mini Scrubber, retail value of $5. Feel like that's nice and affordable. It's a makeup remover and exfoliating face scrubber. Whoa, it says the writing on the label fades when it's time to replace your scrubber. That is really neat. I actually wash my face in the shower every day, and I feel like this would be a great product to put in the shower to use with my face wash. I'm really excited to try this out. Next up, ooh, I see some beautiful packaging here with the sunflowers on it. This is from Delia Skincare, which is also a new brand to me that I'm not familiar with. It's balancing serum, natural, cruelty-free, vegan, retail value of $30. It's a blend of natural and essential oils, perfect for normal, oily, or combination skin. It balances the skin's oil production while keeping it hydrated and reducing the appearance of redness, scarring, and inflammation. I definitely need that. Ooh, so cute. I'm just loving all the packaging on all of these products. I'm so excited to try this out. I use a serum morning and night, and it says to use this nightly. Next up we have, this is from the brand Glamonizers Under Eye Serum. Oh my gosh, and there's like flowers floating in here. Look at how pretty this is. Wow. All right, so I was just saying how I love when these boxes introduce me to new types of skincare routines and products that I'm not using that I probably should be. An under eye serum is exactly that. I had never even heard of or thought about an under eye serum. I use a face serum and I use an under eye cream, but I don't actually put my serum on my under eyes. So now having a separate serum to put on my under eyes just seems genius. It seems like that step that I was missing all along, and this product looks so pretty. So this is, like I said, Glamonizers Under Eye Serum, a retail value of $22. Ooh, you can even use it on the eyelids. Wow, and this has so many awesome ingredients in it. Carrot seed oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, rose flower extract, lavender essential oils, sweet orange essential oil, jasmine flowers, lavender flowers, and calendula flowers. I'm so excited to try this out. Wow, I absolutely love this box, and I still have more products in here. So, ooh, more beautiful packaging. These are from the brand Soon Skincare Shea Butter Hand Mask. Oh my gosh. This sounds like it was made for me. Shea butter, green tea extract, and tea tree leaf extract. I have such dry hands. I go through hand lotion like crazy, and I have never done a hand mask. I can't believe how many products I got in this box that I have never used before, but I'm realizing I need in my life. Like, that is just the best type of box, best type of gift. Seriously, I am blown away. I can't wait to try these out. I could definitely see this being a product that I need to repurchase and stock up on. However, my product card here actually says that the Soon Skincare is 2 peony foot masks. So I must have gotten the hand masks instead of the foot masks. Foot masks also sound amazing because I have very dry feet, but retail value of $18. I'm gonna have to look up these foot masks because I'm reading the description and it sounds so awesome. It says peony extract penetrates even the most weathered, cracked feet to deeply nourish dry, tough skin. I need that. The inner layer is infused with the serum while the outer layer allows for walking and treating feet at the same time. So I could just, like, while I'm working from home, wear those. I think that is so genius. I'm gonna have to get those. I wish I got some in my box, but I don't know, I'm really excited about the hand masks. Okay, so my first Bella Skin box is incredible. I know that when I get Ipsy and BoxyCharm, sometimes I'm not too pumped to get skincare, but this box is skincare products that I didn't even know I needed, but I am so excited to try out. And I'll definitely keep you updated on my thoughts on these products. I love to do my monthly empties videos where I talk about the products I used up that month. So I'm sure you'll see some of these products ending up in those empties videos very soon. But let me do a quick recap of everything I got. So I got the Daily Concepts Scrubber, the Glamonizers Radiance Eye Serum, the Delia Skincare Balancing Serum, the Upcircle Coffee Serum, the Upcircle Moisturizer, the Soon Shea Butter Hand Masks, all of that coming out to a retail value of $119. And like I said before, this box only cost $35 to get all of that. I think that is so worth it. So I definitely want to know, if you get the Bella Skin box, what your thoughts are on it. Or if you've tried out any of these products, I always like to know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.